Hi everyone, your English will be going on very good and I hope you are doing to the practice English speaking, English learning. I know that. So now today's video, I wanna share my English experiences, how have I learned this language and how started to speak in this language. So now today's video, I wanna share these points. So first of all, 2 year passed when I was class 11th. Then my cousins called me that please Karan, come to my home, come my home, and I wanted to learn you English grammars, basic grammars rules. So please, can you could you please come my home? So I'm thinking that let's go to the my cousin's home. He's talked to me that time, so I went there. So then gradually my cousin learned me basic grammar rules like present tense, future tense, past tense, the basic grammar rules, basic structures, basic fundamentals of the, it means basic principles of the English speaking, English learning, English sentences. So like could, this is, it means modals. Do you know about the modals? Yeah, modals, could, might, should. This is the basic points talk to me my cousin. So that time I am beginner, it means that time I couldn't understand, I couldn't have understand that time English speaking, English learning, because I'm Hindi medium is medium student, and I couldn't understand the English speaking, English learning that time. So gradually I have improved my English, and I'm think that how can I speak in English language like big speakers, and gradually I talked I talked in the YouTube, from the YouTube, like a lot of the videos, English grammar basic rules, how can I speak in English language 30 days, how can I speak English language 1 week. So lot of the things and many videos I watched at that time. Then I feel that if I if I want to speak in English language, that then I'll have to do something, I'll have to do to something that I'll have to do hard work, I'll do to have consistency, I'll do to have focus in English speaking, English learning. Then I felt that that time that if I want to learn English language, then I'll have to basic grammar rules and basic English structures understand, I'll have to understand. So then I have improved my English, and basic grammar rules, phrases, idioms I remembered that time, and also I remember today's and in this year. So gradually my English is improve, and so this is my English journey. Thank you for watching.